welcome back to Sticker Thursday. So today's Sticker Thursday segment was inspired by one of our Restore Game Changers. Shout out to Kelly Redmond O'Neill. And Kelly placed a sticker on the end of a golf club during our last tournament that involved Mini Golf Masters. And I thought that idea was so creative. I loved it. I love all the energy that you guys bring towards our tournaments. But it got me thinking about the struggle that sometimes my patients had with their reacher sticks in their bedroom. So they're reaching for something, they can usually hold that stick pretty well, but once they're picking up the object that's kind of heavy, that's when the struggle happens. So my thought is that you guys could either use, a toy golf club, or you could use the actual reacher stick, place a wrist weight on the bottom of it, that's the distal end, and you could start at even a half a pound wrist weight just to increase that strength while we're reaching far away from our body, because that's when things get a little bit harder. And then you can go up and weight from there. Start at a half a pound, go up to, whatever that patient can tolerate, and we'll be working on something that's functional for them that will benefit their everyday life. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great Thursday. Shout out to Kelly for this idea. Thank you so much.